Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time. Today it's gonna be a fun adventure. I'm going to show you guys the day that Skye and Everest met. Skye, are you ready to meet your new best friend? I just got a new puppy to help us here at the Paw Patrol, and her name is Everest. I'm so happy that I will have a best friend that is almost like my sister. Hi, my name is Everest. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Everest. Wow, you're gonna be part of the Paw Patrol. Do you want to be my best friend? Of course I want to be your best friend, Skye. Wow, I can't believe we're best friends. La 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 la. Oh, hi, Skye. Where did you get that beautiful hat? Hey, Everest. Oh, this hat? I got it at the hat store. Do you like it? Yes, I love it. It looks amazing on you. Is it easy to balance the hat on your head? I would love to get one too. Well, it takes practice. I've been practicing how to balance this hat since I got out of the hat store. But it's pretty easy. I think you can do it. Oh, that's great. Can you take me to that store? I'd love to buy a hat like that. Of course. Follow me. Let's go. How do you like the hat that I chose? Thank you so much for taking me to the store. How do you guys at home like my new hat? Leave me a comment. Wow, Everest, now we're gonna have matching hats. That's because we're twinsies. You are my best friend. You are my best friend too, Skye. Wait a minute, but this hat is a little difficult to balance. Maybe we should try to practice a little because look, I'm a little wobbly. Don't worry, best friend. I will always be here to catch you if you fall. Okay, nice catch, Everest. Thank you, best friend. You're welcome anytime. Alright, so now let's go show everybody our new hat. We are twins and we are best friends. Oh, I'm feeling so sick. I caught the chicken pox. Oh, I'm gonna be here in my room for the whole week. Hey, Skye, it's me, Everest, your best friend. Oh, hi, Everest. Thanks for coming to visit me. You're welcome, Skye. I was very worried about you. How are you feeling? I just wanted to see if you need anything. Well, Everest, I am very, very cold. Oh, don't worry, Skye. Let me go get you a blanket. Here it is. Do you want me to put a blanket over you? Because you can't even move. You're so sick. I'm so worried about my best friend. We miss you at Adventure Bay, helping us do the rescues and all. Okay, you know what? I'm going to make you a cup of tea. It's gonna make you feel much better, much faster. Here it is, Skye. Okay, drink all the tea so you can get better real soon. Would you like some sugar? Oh, thanks, Everest. This tea is perfect. Knowing that I have a friend like you makes me feel so much better. Oh, Skye, I'm always here for you if you need anything. And now you have to rest because you want to feel better soon, right? That's right. Alright, so if you need anything, you let me know, okay? Alright, Everest. Thank you. Paw Patrol, where are you guys? There are tons of big bugs here at the yard. They're everywhere, and you guys know how much I hate insects. You know, somebody, listen to me. Somebody help me. Chase, Ryder, Zuma, Rocky, Rubble. Somebody, Skye, you're my best friend. Where did you go? I need your help. Oh no, nobody can hear me and I cannot call the control tower. Oh, these bugs are really scaring me. They're pushing all the flowers around and now they're pushing me around on my bench. Somebody help me! Did you just call me? I heard you calling, Everest. My best friend, what are you doing there? Oh no, look at all these bugs here at the yard. Everest, I know how much you were afraid of bugs. Don't worry, best friend. I'm going to save you. In just 1 second, I will get a shoe, and I can snatch all of these bugs. Thanks, Skye. I'm very afraid I can't even get off this bench. Oh, don't you worry. Oh no, look, this bug is pushing the flowers against me. Oh no, alright, don't worry. I am a Paw Patrol and I will be right back. Did somebody call an insect exterminator? Hiya! Got you. I got you. And one more bug. Alright, I got 3 bugs already. Aren't I awesome at exterminating insects? Ha ha ha! You see, Everest? Skye from the Paw Patrol to the rescue. There is another bug. I will be right back. Let me go get that one. Come back in here. Don't you run away from me. Hiya! Got you. Okay, whew. Did I get all the bugs that were scaring you, Everest? I think so. Thanks, Skye. Oh, you're welcome. Now I can get off this bench. I was so afraid. Oh, don't you worry. I heard you and I came running to help you. You're my best friend. Oh, you're my best friend too. A few years later, Skye and Everest are still best friends. Everest is helping Skye coordinate her wedding. Wow, Everest, thank you so much for being my best friend and my maid of honor. Chase is already right there at the church. Okay, Skye, don't worry. I'll make sure everything goes well. Let me hurry up and go to the church. And here we are today, together to celebrate the wedding of Chase and Skye. Here comes the bride. Wow, everybody's here at the church. I am so happy. This is such a beautiful day. I'm so happy my friend Everest is here today. And all of my friends from Adventure Bay and all the cartoons. Wow, I can't believe this wedding is gonna be the wedding of the century. And here we go. The wedding has finished. Now it's time for the wedding party. This was a beautiful celebration. Okay, so now let me help Skye make sure everything goes smoothly at the party. Oh, hey Everest, what a beautiful party. Thanks. All right, time to toss the bouquet. Who's gonna be the next one to get married? And many years went by. Skye and Everest are still best friends. Today, Everest is going to help Skye and Chase. Everest is going to babysit the puppies. Rubble is also here to help them babysitting the puppies. Alright, so here is a little bit of a flashback from an episode from last year. Let's see what happened. Wow, Rubble, what are we supposed to do? Look, the babies keep crying. Oh no, how do we make them stop? Lila, please stop crying, please. Rubble, do you have your phone ready? Please, look on the internet. Maybe you could do a Google search and see how to make a baby stop crying. Oh look, now Romeo is hungry. Here's a bottle for you, little one. Now look, Nico and Lila are eating the wrapping paper. Or they're playing tug of war. No, puppies, you guys have to stop. I think it's almost time for their nap. Wow, now that all the puppies are sleeping, let's quietly try to pick up the nursery. Look, it's such a mess. But be careful, Rubble, we can now wake the babies. Much better. Hi guys, I'm back. How did it go? It was perfect, but the puppies are so much work. I told you, right? Wow, they keep me busy all day. Yeah, but they are adorable, Skye. Thank you very much for letting us watch them. Oh, and thank you guys for babysitting my puppies. I'm all done food shopping. What do you think? I'll go make us some tea and we could talk a little bit while the puppies are sleeping. Great idea. Thanks, Skye. Alright, so let's go, guys. Chase will be home soon. Oh, hey Everest, thank you so much for coming over to help me bake the cake for my puppy's birthday. Oh, you're very welcome, Skye. I always had the best time with you. And also, I love baking. I can't believe the puppies are going to be 1 year old. I know, I can't believe it either. Thanks for your help, best friend. You're very welcome. Do you guys want to watch a little bit more of this episode? So here it goes. I have the batter ready in this pan, and it's ready to go in the oven. Everest, can you check the oven and see if it's warm enough? Once we put the cake in the oven, we can start preparing everything else. Chase will be taking the kids to the park in a little bit. I want to make sure the cake is in the oven before the kids come into the kitchen. The oven is so hot, it always makes me very worried. Alright, the cake is in the oven. Perfect timing, Skye. There are the kids.
Mommy, Mommy!
Hey, Skye. Hey, Everest. I'm taking the kids to the playground. Wow, thanks, Chase. I'll be here helping Skye. We have so much to do. I know you guys do. Alright, I'll be back later. So now, let's see what we can do. How about if we frost the cookies? Look, I baked all these cookies last night and I have the frosting ready. Let me go get them for you, Everest. Do you think you can do that? Absolutely. I love to frost sugar cookies. How are the cookies coming along, Everest? Do you want me to finish frosting them? No, don't worry, Skye. I got it. Look, do you like the way they look? Wow, they look amazing, Everest. Thanks, Skye. Alright, so I'm almost done. All I have to do now is add some dots right here in the middle of the cookies. Alright, Skye, I'm all ready. Perfect, Everest. And here is the filling for the cake. I made a strawberry filling. That looks yummy, Skye. Is strawberry the puppy's favorite flavor? Yes, it is, Everest. They love strawberry. What about you guys from home? What is your favorite flavor? Chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla? Let us know in the comment area. Okay, so now we're all done frosting the cake. Let's put the cake right here on the countertop. It looks beautiful. What do you think, Everest? Thank you very much for helping me. I could not have done this without your help. You are very welcome, Skye. You're my best friend. I would do anything to help you. Oh, thanks, best friend. Alright, now everything's put away. The kids will be so surprised tomorrow when they see all this delicious, yummy stuff you prepared.
Mommy, we are home! Is this frosting?
Derek, get away from this bowl of frosting. Oh, hi, Skye. Hi, Everest. We're back. But you know what? The kids are so dirty because they were digging in the sand. I'm gonna bring them all to the bathtub. They need a bubble bath. Alright, guys, come on. Follow Daddy. I'm gonna bring you guys to take a bubble bath now. You guys had so much fun at the playground, right? Come on, Grace. Come on, Derek.
Miss Everest, can you come play with us another day?
Of course I can, Lila. I'll be back next week just to play with you and your siblings.
Yay! Can you play Disney Princess Dress Up?
We all can play Disney Princess Dress Up. But now, young lady, it's time for your bubble bath.
Okay, Mommy.
Alright, Skye. So now I think we're all done. That's right, Everest. We're all done. Thanks for your help. Anytime. I will get going. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you guys can see, Skye and Everest have been friends for a long time. Isn't that great? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed our video. We're looking for more subscribers, so if you still didn't subscribe to our channel, hurry up and subscribe now. And leave us a comment, let us know that you subscribed. Also, give us a thumbs up if you like our video and share our video. I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Toy Toy Time. Please subscribe.